In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of not receiving a verification code from Facebook. This is a common problem that can be quite frustrating when you're trying to access your account or complete certain security steps on the platform. But don't worry, we're here to help you sort it out. First and foremost, let's ensure that you have entered the correct phone number. This might sound simple, but it's an easy mistake to overlook. Double-check that the number you provided to Facebook is correct, and make sure it's in the right format, especially if it's an international number. Next, ensure that your phone is able to receive text messages. You might want to try sending a text message to your own phone to test whether everything's working correctly. In some cases, having full storage or an issue with your mobile carrier can block incoming SMS. If you're not receiving any text messages at all, it's a good idea to contact your carrier for support. Once that's sorted, check your junk or spam folders. Sometimes, automated SMS messages can get mistakenly flagged and filed away here, even if they're from reputable services like Facebook. If you find any messages there, mark them as not spam so future messages don't end up lost in your spam folder. Another potential fix is to make sure your messaging app or inbox isn't overloaded. Clearing out old messages or emails not only gives you more space but might also help if there's a glitch with message delivery. If none of this works, a possible solution is to request the verification code again from Facebook. Try doing this by tapping the option to resend the code. However, don't click or tap it too quickly or too often. Facebook might temporarily block repeated requests if they detect unusual activity. Another tip is to restart your device. A quick reboot can clear out any temporary glitches with wireless or messaging services, which might suddenly free up whatever was causing the issue. If you still don't receive the code, try using an alternative method to log in or verify your account, such as with an email instead of a phone number. This can just be a temporary workaround, but it might help you regain access to your account in the meantime. Finally, keep in mind that Facebook systems sometimes experience temporary technical difficulties. If that's the case, waiting a little while and trying again later might do the trick. By following these steps carefully, you should hopefully resolve this issue and receive your Facebook verification code without any further trouble. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.